I'm gonna have to retake the course next semester.
Aku harus mengulang mata kuliah itu semester depan. He could have told us earlier, couldn't he?
Dia bisa saja memberitahu kita lebih awal, bukan?
Did you get the notes from yesterday's lecture?
Apakah kamu dapat catatan kuliah kemarin?
She's been waiting outside for over an hour. Dia sudah menunggu di luar lebih dari 1 jam.
You'd better hand it in before the deadline. Sebaiknya kamu menyerahkannya sebelum tenggat waktu. Aren't you supposed to be in class right now?
Bukankah kamu seharusnya ada di kelas sekarang?
It doesn't make much sense, does it? Itu tidak terlalu masuk akal, bukan? I would have joined if I'd known earlier.
Aku akan ikut kalau aku tahu lebih awal.
He's looking for a job in the library, isn't he? Dia sedang mencari pekerjaan di perpustakaan, bukan? Why don't we grab a quick bite before the seminar? Bagaimana kalau kita makan sebentar sebelum seminar?
The professor's office hours got cancelled, didn't they? Jam konsultasi profesor dibatalkan, kan?
I'm not quite sure what he meant by that. Aku tidak begitu yakin apa maksud dia dengan itu.
We're gonna need more time to finish the project. Kita akan butuh lebih banyak waktu untuk menyelesaikan project. You've already turned it in, haven't you?
Kamu sudah menyerahkannya, bukan? I shouldn't have missed the last class. Seharusnya aku tidak melewatkan kelas terakhir.
She could have helped if she'd been there.
Dia bisa membantu kalau dia ada di sana. Aren't you the one who borrowed my book?
Bukankah kamu yang meminjam bukuku?
I'd rather stay here than go to the library. Aku lebih suka tetap di sini daripada pergi ke perpustakaan.
He's been studying all night for the exam. Dia sudah belajar semalaman untuk ujian. They'd never seen the professor so upset before.
Mereka belum pernah melihat profesor begitu marah sebelumnya. Wouldn't it be better to ask the professor? Bukankah lebih baik bertanya pada profesor? I might have misunderstood the instructions. Aku mungkin salah paham dengan instruksinya.
She's taking the same course again next year. Dia akan mengambil mata kuliah yang sama tahun depan. Did you hear what the professor just said? Apakah kamu mendengar apa yang baru saja dikatakan profesor?
I could have sworn the exam was on Friday. Aku yakin sekali ujian itu hari Jumat. There's hardly any time left, is there? Hampir tidak ada waktu tersisa, bukan? I wouldn't recommend taking that class. Aku tidak akan menyarankan mengambil kelas itu. He should have checked his email more carefully. Dia seharusnya memeriksa emailnya lebih teliti. You're not gonna skip the lecture again, are you? Kamu tidak akan bolos kuliah lagi, kan? I've never heard her speak so fast before. Aku belum pernah mendengar dia bicara secepat itu sebelumnya. Why didn't you remind me about the deadline? Kenapa kamu tidak mengingatkanku tentang tenggat waktu? I'd better go ask the librarian for help. Sebaiknya aku pergi minta bantuan pustakawan.
She'll probably be late, won't she?
Dia mungkin akan terlambat, bukan? We couldn't have finished without your help. Kami tidak mungkin selesai tanpa bantuanmu. He's not exactly confident about the results.
Dia tidak terlalu yakin dengan hasilnya. Didn't they say the exam was postponed?
Bukankah mereka bilang ujiannya ditunda?
She must have forgotten to bring her notebook.
Dia pasti lupa membawa bukunya.
You'd better double-check the instructions.
Sebaiknya kamu periksa ulang instruksinya. Aren't you taking the same class as me? Bukankah kamu mengambil kelas yang sama denganku? He shouldn't have left so early.
Dia seharusnya tidak pergi begitu cepat. I'm not sure that's what he meant.
Aku tidak yakin itu maksudnya.
We'd have missed the bus if we'd left later.
Kita pasti ketinggalan bus kalau kita berangkat lebih lambat.
She's been struggling with the reading assignment.
Dia sedang kesulitan dengan tugas membaca.
Did you figure out the answer to question 3?
Apakah kamu sudah menemukan jawaban untuk soal nomor 3? I could have used more time on that exam. Aku bisa menggunakan lebih banyak waktu di ujian itu. The library wasn't open yet, was it? Perpustakaan belum buka, kan? He'd have explained it more clearly if he'd had time. Dia pasti akan menjelaskannya lebih jelas kalau dia punya waktu. I wouldn't mind going over the notes again. Aku tidak keberatan meninjau catatan lagi.
She's not the one teaching the course, is she?
Dia bukan yang mengajar mata kuliah itu, kan? We'd better get started before it gets too late. Sebaiknya kita mulai sebelum terlalu malam. He should have known the answer, shouldn't he? Dia seharusnya tahu jawabannya, kan? I'm not gonna take that class again. Aku tidak akan mengambil kelas itu lagi. Did you see the notice on the bulletin board? Apakah kamu melihat pengumuman di papan pengumuman? They'd have helped if they'd had the time.
Mereka pasti akan membantu kalau mereka punya waktu. You couldn't have done it without his support.
Kamu tidak mungkin bisa melakukannya tanpa dukungannya. She's working late on her term paper. Dia sedang lembur mengerjakan makalah akhirnya. We'd better leave now or we'll be late. Sebaiknya kita pergi sekarang atau kita akan terlambat. Aren't you supposed to meet him today? Bukankah kamu seharusnya bertemu dia hari ini? He's not gonna finish that project on time, is he?
Dia tidak akan menyelesaikan proyek itu tepat waktu, kan?
I would have asked her, but she wasn't around.
Aku akan bertanya padanya, tapi dia tidak ada.
Didn't they cancel the last lecture? Bukankah mereka membatalkan kuliah terakhir? I'm trying to catch up with the readings. Aku sedang berusaha mengejar bacaan. She shouldn't have left her notes at home. Dia seharusnya tidak meninggalkan catatannya di rumah. It couldn't have been that difficult, could it?
Itu tidak mungkin sesulit itu, kan?
You're not gonna change your major again, are you? Kamu tidak akan mengganti jurusan lagi, kan? We'd have been lost without that map. Kita pasti tersesat tanpa peta itu. He might have misunderstood the directions.
Dia mungkin salah paham dengan arahannya.
She's taken too many classes this semester. Dia mengambil terlalu banyak mata kuliah semester ini. I could have done better if I'd studied more.
Aku bisa melakukannya lebih baik kalau aku belajar lebih banyak. Did you borrow that book from the library?
Apakah kamu meminjam buku itu dari perpustakaan? He wouldn't have passed without your help. Dia tidak akan lulus tanpa bantuanmu. We're not gonna make it before the deadline.
Kita tidak akan sempat menyelesaikannya sebelum tenggat.
You'd better review the material before the test. Sebaiknya kamu meninjau materi sebelum ujian. She must have forgotten about the group meeting.
Dia pasti lupa tentang rapat kelompok. Aren't you joining us for lunch? Bukankah kamu ikut makan siang dengan kami? I'd have asked the professor if I'd seen him. Aku akan bertanya pada profesor kalau aku melihatnya.
He's been struggling with calculus lately. Dia sedang kesulitan dengan kalkulus akhir-akhir ini.
You shouldn't have skipped yesterday's lecture.
Kamu seharusnya tidak melewatkan kuliah kemarin. It wouldn't hurt to ask for an extension.
Tidak ada salahnya meminta perpanjangan waktu.
She's looking for a quieter place to study. Dia sedang mencari tempat yang lebih tenang untuk belajar.
Didn't he say the exam was multiple choice?
Bukankah dia bilang ujiannya pilihan ganda? We'd better not wait until the last minute. Sebaiknya kita jangan menunggu sampai detik terakhir.
He could have reminded us about the homework.
Dia bisa saja mengingatkan kita tentang PR. You're not supposed to use a calculator, are you? Kamu tidak boleh menggunakan kalkulator, kan? She wouldn't have believed it if she hadn't seen it.
Dia tidak akan percaya kalau dia tidak melihatnya. I'm not really sure what she was talking about. Aku tidak begitu yakin apa yang dia bicarakan. They've been working on the experiment all week.
Mereka sudah mengerjakan eksperimen itu sepanjang minggu. I could have sworn I saw him in the library. Aku yakin sekali melihatnya di perpustakaan. You'd better save your work just in case.
Sebaiknya, kamu simpan pekerjaanmu untuk berjaga-jaga.
He's not the one giving the lecture, is he? Dia bukan orang yang memberi kuliah, kan?
We'd have finished earlier if we'd started sooner. Kita akan selesai lebih awal kalau kita mulai lebih cepat. She might have missed the announcement. Dia mungkin melewatkan pengumuman itu.
Did you check the schedule online? Apakah kamu memeriksa jadwal secara daring?
It couldn't have been easier, could it?
Itu tidak mungkin lebih mudah, kan? You're not gonna forget your notes again, are you? Kamu tidak akan lupa catatanmu lagi, kan? I'd have joined the trip if I'd had the money. Aku akan ikut perjalanan itu kalau aku punya uang. He shouldn't have waited until the last minute. Dia seharusnya tidak menunggu sampai detik terakhir. We're trying to figure out the best solution. Kami sedang mencari solusi terbaik. She would have done better if she'd studied harder. Dia akan lebih baik kalau dia belajar lebih giat. I should have started my paper a lot earlier. Aku seharusnya mulai makalahku jauh lebih awal. She's not gonna like the results, is she? Dia tidak akan suka hasilnya, kan?
Didn't they change the due date for the assignment?
Bukankah mereka mengubah tenggat tugas? He'd have been late if he hadn't taken a taxi.
Dia pasti terlambat kalau tidak naik taksi.
We're running out of time for the project. Kita kehabisan waktu untuk proyek itu. You could have asked for help, couldn't you? Kamu bisa saja meminta bantuan, kan? She might have misunderstood the question. Dia mungkin salah paham dengan pertanyaan itu. Aren't you supposed to hand it in today?
Bukankah kamu seharusnya menyerahkannya hari ini?
I'm not sure I got what he was saying. Aku tidak yakin aku paham apa yang dia katakan.
They'd never been to the lecture hall before.
Mereka belum pernah ke ruang kuliah itu sebelumnya. He shouldn't have skipped so many classes. Dia seharusnya tidak bolos sebanyak itu. You're not gonna drop the course, are you?
Kamu tidak akan membatalkan mata kuliah itu, kan? We'd better review before the exam starts.
Sebaiknya kita meninjau ulang sebelum ujian dimulai. She must have left her notes on the bus. Dia pasti meninggalkan catatannya di bus.
Did you hear what happened in class yesterday?
Apakah kamu dengar apa yang terjadi di kelas kemarin?
It couldn't have been more confusing, could it?
Itu tidak mungkin lebih membingungkan lagi, kan? I'd have asked the librarian if I'd had time. Aku akan bertanya ke pustakawan kalau aku punya waktu.
He's been studying non-stop for 3 days.
Dia sudah belajar tanpa henti selama 3 hari. You shouldn't have ignored the professor's advice. Kamu seharusnya tidak mengabaikan nasihat profesor. We're not gonna finish without some help.
Kita tidak akan selesai tanpa bantuan.
She would have explained it if you'd asked.
Dia akan menjelaskannya kalau kamu bertanya. Didn't he promise to send the notes? Bukankah dia berjanji mengirimkan catatan?
I could have done worse on that exam. Aku bisa saja mendapat nilai lebih buruk di ujian itu.
They'd better start the presentation soon.
Sebaiknya mereka segera memulai presentasi.
He might have been absent yesterday.
Dia mungkin tidak hadir kemarin. Aren't you joining the study group tonight?
Bukankah kamu ikut kelompok belajar malam ini?
We'd have forgotten if she hadn't reminded us. Kita pasti lupa kalau dia tidak mengingatkan kita. She's not gonna pass if she doesn't study harder. Dia tidak akan lulus kalau tidak belajar lebih giat.
I shouldn't have waited until the last second.
Aku seharusnya tidak menunggu sampai detik terakhir. Did you already register for the next semester? Apakah kamu sudah daftar untuk semester depan?
It couldn't have taken that long, could it? Itu tidak mungkin butuh waktu selama itu, kan? He's not the professor's assistant, is he? Dia bukan asisten profesor itu, kan?
You'd better not forget your ID for the exam. Sebaiknya kamu jangan lupa kartu identitasmu untuk ujian.
She must have been in a hurry this morning.
Dia pasti sedang terburu-buru pagi ini.
I'm not really sure that's a good idea.
Aku tidak begitu yakin itu ide bagus. They would have been lost without the directions. Mereka pasti tersesat tanpa petunjuk itu.